Well, I want to do a little fast forward now from right now, where we are obsessing over Netflix numbers, to tomorrow morning, when we're going to be obsessing over Tesla numbers. Our Pras Subramanian is here to give us a bit of a preview on those first quarter numbers that Tesla's reporting after the close of trading. So what are we focusing on? Yeah, that's right, Julie. A big report out after the bell tonight. You know, on the top line, we're watching for about $17.92 billion, adjusted EPS of around $2.27. So kind of similar to what we had last quarter. But I'm watching GAAP net income too. They had three straight quarters over $1 billion. Last quarter record $2.3 billion. So we'll watch that figure as well. And also deliveries. You know, so we had Q1 deliveries come out about 2 weeks ago. About 310,000 vehicles delivered in Q1. Are we going to see anything mentioned on Q2 with regards to what's happening in China and things like that? So I'm going to watch that impact on production to shutdowns. I'm going to watch something about like Giga Texas and Giga Berlin, what's happening there with that ramp up as they kind of those Model Ys are coming out. And also price changes, the price hikes. We have a number of price hikes over Q1, that whole quarter. What are they going to say about that? Cost pressures, components, batteries, stuff like that.
Yeah, it is amazing. We're not seeing a lot of notes, Pras, talk about one, if Elon Musk is even on this earnings call. He has not been on this call, a couple of these calls in a row. But if he is on there, what does he say about Twitter? And does that overshadow this quarter here from Tesla? You know,
I was thinking about that because he's probably not going to be on the call today. He was on it last quarter to give a product roadmap, which was kind of like devoid of facts. And then he kind of revealed some things about the Cybertruck and Roadster at the latest Giga Texas opening. I think if they're asked about Twitter, they might say, is it a distraction for Elon? Can he juggle as many balls in the air? And I think if you look at his track record, it's like the guy has millions of balls up in the air, right? Mm. He's constantly doing SpaceX, Boring Company, different lawsuits, you know, the SEC, and somehow he gets the job done. I'm not saying I'm not an Elon apologist here, but I think that he can do it. If anyone can do it, he can do it. So far, at least. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, the stock has done approximately nothing this year. The stock is up.
It hasn't done well since that bid, since that Twitter bid, which is interesting.
And it's interesting because, like, you know, Twitter there's no relationship to the company, right? Just Musk. Mm-hmm. But it's still like an operational thing that people want to ask about, right? I mean, it's still from your guys' point of view. Isn't that something that you want to hear about? Of course.
Yeah, I don't care about this Tesla quarter. I just want to know what he's doing on Twitter.
All right, thanks, Pras. Looking forward to checking back in tomorrow morning as we'll be talking about that.